Sir, recording.
Recording দিয়ে দিছে এখন এইমাত্র।
Explain how the current in the ammeter opposes the change producing it.
Yes, so you first remember which law is related to this idea, this question. Can you remember? We gave you Faraday's law, Lenge's law. We gave you Faraday's
Yes,
law, Lenge's law. So in Lenge's law, we have this idea. And there is notes. In your copy, we have notes. Can you check it? Then tell me. Lenge's law. Please, please check your notes because your notes will help you to get the ideas and you can link your learning and application. If you are not using your note, then those are useless. Yeah, Moshe, you check Lenge's law and send us. Yeah, you send it to our group also. Send it to our group also. I can't remember. Yeah, before the graph, just one class before the graph we did it. Yeah.
Since magnetic field is created, so it repels, right? Is that not the answer?
Again say.
Like, since magnetic field lines are created and the emitter also has magnetic field lines, it changes. So when the magnet is pushed in and out, there is a change in magnetic field and it repels.
You make it more specific. As they are saying opposes, that's why you should make your answer more specific. How? This one I gave you notes. Just now Moshe sent the notes. You can check it there.
Yes.
Look, here we have South Pole, right? So
yes,
if you move the magnet to the right, you will get one South Pole here, the left side of the coil. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm repeating that if you are bringing the South Pole towards the coil, then you will get one South Pole here at the left side of the coil. Why? Using right hand grip rule. You can remember that one, right hand grip rule. You see, in our ammeter we are getting the reading. For what reason? We are getting the reading because we got some induced current here in this solenoid, right? Isn't it? And that induced current will produce magnetic field and magnetic poles. So this side, left side of the coil will be South Pole and right side will be North Pole. I am labeling it here for making you understand. This side is North Pole and this side is South Pole. If you are moving the magnet to the right. Very clear. So you make your answer more specific with this idea. Can you say again now, Ziba?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, again you say your answer, you revise your answer, then say again. Make your answer more specific.
Since the solenoid is already magnetized, it creates magnetic field. And due to the right hand grip rule, it opposes the magnet.
Yeah, due to the right hand grip rule, South Pole is created in the left side of the coil. This one you mentioned clearly. Because it's opposing. Why? Why it's opposing? Because two south poles, they are
Same south
repelling
poles.
each other, right? That's why.
Yes, sir.
That one you have to mention clearly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please, please you write this. I'm writing, no problem. This time I will
আমার
write.
লিখতে গেলে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের মতন কাজ হবে,
Okay, okay, no
like how
problem.
I
I'm
do
writing.
assignments with the
I'm
students
writing. I'm
writings.
writing. No problem. As the magnet is, I'm writing details. As the magnet is brought closer to the coil, magnetism induced
স্যার ফন্টটা একটু ছোট করে নেন।
font should be smaller.
A bit like that.
Okay, later on I will make it
Yes.
smaller. Now let it continue.
Okay.
To the coil, magnetism induced. As the magnet is brought closer to the coil, magnetism induced in the solenoid due to induced current due to induced current.
এভাবে লিখলে হয় না যে when the magnet is taken towards the coil, then due to
According
induced
to, I am
EMF.
writing, listen, I am writing with explanation. We can write smaller. That one I
না
have
এটা
mentioned.
খাতার থেকে এখানে আমারটা এটা ভুল নাকি একটা জিনিস
Yeah, according to
করে নিব
right hand grip rule. Right hand grip rule. According to right hand grip rule, south pole.
স্যার ফন্ট না ছোট করলে তো স্যার আপনার পেজে থেকে বের হয়ে যাবে।
S pole. I am making it. I am arranging it. Just wait for a while. Let me finish writing. S pole is created at left side.
নিচে আর কিছু দেখাই চাইতেছে না স্যার।
Coil. I will show you. Wait. Patience. Coil. Okay. Now I'll make you everything. No problem. Now it's all right.
গ্রিপ রুল আর রাইট হ্যান্ড রুলে তো তফাৎ আছে ওই যে
Yeah, right hand grip rule we use to get the north pole, south pole. Okay, in the solenoid. And it is related to Lenge's law. You write here Lenge's law.
স্যার আমি যেভাবে বলেছিলাম ওরকম ভাবে লিখলে মার্কস পাবো?
You make it. You will get marks, but if you make it not 2 marks, you should make it more specific. Like south pole, you should mention. Okay.
I wrote the solenoid is magnetized and due to right hand grip rule the solenoid has south pole on the left side which opposes the magnet.
It's fine because they said ammeter opposes the change producing it. That means south pole is created here. One is repelling each other. This one you have to mention. The other things are fine. Even what you said at the beginning, that is also fine. No problem. Only at this one, south pole is created at left side of coil.
Sir, can you screen the whole thing again?
Yeah,
What do we mean by the current in the meter opposes the change in producing it?
Yeah, we already got here current, right? In the circuit or in this closed path, we got current. That's why the ammeter is showing current. It's not like that only ammeter has current, isn't it? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. So ammeter is showing current. That means this circuit or this closed path has current. That means
The whole
solenoid has the current.
thing
So
has
when solenoid has current
current.
inside it, we have magnetism over there, right? You know, if current flows through a conductor, there is magnetic field created. And according to right hand grip rule in solenoid, there will be north pole in one side and south pole in another side. Can you remember that one? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when this magnet is brought closer to this coil, that time we are having induced current, and that current is producing magnetic field where south pole is created at the left side. That's why this south pole, the created one, is not allowing this magnet to move further. Is it clear? Hello, Aisha? Hello, Aisha? Hello, Aisha?
জি
Yes,
স্যার
বলেছে তো
বুঝেছি
স্যার
Now,
3 বার I
now it's
guess.
clear. Okay, now I got it. Okay, so we are done with this, right? Can we go to the next part?
হ্যাঁ স্যার এটা done.
Have you finished writing?
জি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we got it in Lenge's law. In Lenge's law, I gave you 3 notes, 3 diagrams. Can you remember?
দিয়েছিলেন।
This question is coming from there. Yeah, now Shafi. Shafi. Hello, Shafi. Shafi.
Hello,
Yes, Shafi, please read. Read this last part. Last part you read. From here.
the magnet the magnet stops when the spore reaches the middle of the solenoid. The reading on the ammeter is observed when the magnet is moved to left at a constant speed that is less than its speed in C1. State 2 is in which the reading on the ammeter differs from the reading observed in C1 as the magnet moves to the left.
Okay, so when I think all of you got the answer. They who are present regularly, they can tell me the answer now. Can you try? What they told, did you understand? Did you understand what they told? First, I am explaining the question, then I think you will get the answer. They are saying you are taking this magnet till to the middle of the solenoid. Then you are returning back. Then you are returning back. Returning back the magnet from the solenoid with less speed. Whatever the speed was before, now you are removing the magnet with less speed. Then what will happen? What two differences you will get in the ammeter? Have you understood the question? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if you understood the question, now tell me the answer. What should be the answer?
The ammeter's needle would like
উল্টার দিকে read
Say.
জানি না এটা পারি না স্যার এক্সপ্লেন করেন।
No, you wait. Let us go to other students. So
the ammeter deflects in the opposite direction, maybe.
yes, correct. Then another idea. If it is slower, then what will happen?
Reading কম আসবে।
Yes, ammeter reading will be less. Very good. So you know it.
Slower কই বলছে স্যার?
You see, it's written here.
Slower
Less
বলছে?
speed. Less speed. They said. You see.
Oh,
You see.
ওই দুইটা পয়েন্টই।
Yeah. Constant is less than its speed in C1. Is it clear now? So what will be the answer? First
আচ্ছা
one.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বলছি।
First one
ওই
you
যে
say.
the needle deflects in the opposite direction and the reading আরেকটা হচ্ছে reading will be lesser or
The first one
smaller
we
এরকম
say.
কিছু।
What will be the first one? We will.
The needle in the ammeter deflects in the opposite direction. We will.
Ammeter needles deflection is opposite. Adnan, why you are giving up so fast?
আমি কই give up করছি?
Yeah, you should try little bit more, right? Don't give up so early.
আমি give up করলে তো ক্লাসেই থাকতাম না। আমি যখন give up করে দেখবেন আমি ক্লাসে নাই, either ইন্টারনেট নাই or either আমি নাই।
Adnan, the second point.
সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে ওই রিডিং কম না কি জানো? হ্যাঁ ওই তো হ্যাঁ। The ammeter reading will be lesser or smaller.
Again giving up, right?
আমি কই give up করছি এখন? আমি give up করলে আমি লিভ দিয়ে দেই, আপনি জানেন না?
Less. Listen, giving up is many ways you can have giving up. Even if you are present here, you don't want to go more deeper. That is also one sort of surrender. Ammeter reading is less. Don't surrender. You try more.
Sir, giving up একটা way of survival.
You are yeah, I know, a way of survival, but at last you cannot survive.
মোশি কিছু বলতেছিলে?
Okay, now we are done with this.
গিভ করব না কেন? এখন যদি আপনাকে 7 ফুটের কেউ মারামারিতে চ্যালেঞ্জ করে আপনি যাবেন নাকি তার সাথে মারামারি করতে?
It's not like that.
গিভ আপ করবেন না আপনি?
It's not like that. Yeah, now question number 5. Okay, now Moshi, it's your turn.
কিসের জন্য স্যার?
To read.
কি করছি?
5. Question 5. Please continue.
Show the structure of a simple alternating current AC generator. On figure 5.1 level, the coil of the generator will with the letter C, a slip ring with the letter S, a carbon brush with the letter B. The AC generator is operating and the arrows on figure 5.1 show the direction of the rotation. Explain why there is an electromotive force EMF between the two output terminals.
Okay. So this one is very easy. Part B is very easy. You can do it. Just previous question we did that. Now you tell us about this one. A. 5A. Which one is coil of the generator? Can you label? Adnan, can you label? Which one is coil of the generator?
Coil বলছে
that loop. That loop is coil.
এটাই coil তো, হ্যাঁ ওই যে ওয়্যারটা কাট করে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড লাইনকে ইলেকট্রিসিটি প্রোডিউস হয়।
Which one is carbon brush?
এক সেকেন্ড মার্ক করে আমি একটু অ্যানোটেট
mark quickly. And they who have scope, please you can draw, so that it is more you can remember, recall it easily. Yes.
এই তো স্যার কই
ড্র করতে হবে।
আরে সিনে হচ্ছে
ড্র
মার্ক
করা
করে
আছে
দাও।
না?
Yeah, see, only see. You write here, only see. Nothing needed to write. Beside the
স্যার
coil.
আমিও করি একটা।
Yeah, please. Draw, do, no problem. Just here you label it as C. That's it. Then this one.
না, এটা slip ring হবে।
Yeah, this one is
আমি
slip
S
ring.
আঁকার চেষ্টা করতেছি।
Yes, I also helped you. This is slip ring. Then this one is carbon brush.
এটা carbon brush।
So it's so
Yes,
easy,
sir, mark
right?
করছি।
And part B, continue, Morshi. This one, what will be the answer? Morshi, you write. Now you can write this answer.
বলেন স্যার।
You have this
বলেন
answer,
স্যার।
Morshi. Why I need to say again and again? I
ওই
told
তো
you 3
কয়েলটা
times.
রোটেট
বলছি
করে
ওটাই
ম্যাগনেটিক
বুঝি
ফিল্ড
নাই।
লাইন্স কাটে ইলেকট্রিসিটি প্রডিউস করে ডান। আচ্ছা না, এটা তো অন্য
Morshi,
কিছু। ওয়েট
Morshi,
না, এটা অন্য
please
কিছু অন্য।
explain why
Infinity.
there is an electromotive force between the two output terminals.
আচ্ছা,
You are asking
আউটপুট
only.
টার্মিনালস।
Yeah, why there is electromotive
আমি
force?
কি স্যারের কথা একা কাট শুনতেছি নাকি অন্য কেউ
হ্যাঁ
আছে?
বাবা, তুমি ঠিকই শুনতেছো, জাস্ট অ্যানসার দিবা না।
Okay,
না,
now
আমি তোরটা কিন্তু ক্লিয়ার শুনতেছি ভাই তবে।
ও তাইলে হয়তো
আচ্ছা
আচ্ছা না।
অ্যানসার, আচ্ছা দাঁড়ান স্যার অ্যানসার জানতে চাইছেন, ওয়েট।
Adnan, you can help him to say,
আমি স্যার নাদান মানুষ, আমি আর ওরে কি হেল্প করব?
or Ziba can help.
কি
Ziba,
কি
Ziba,
কি তুই নাদান মানুষ? এক সেকেন্ড।
Ziba, you can tell him, then he can write. Ziba,
জি স্যার।
you
আর
can
আনসার
tell him,
পাই
then
তো
he
করতে
can
দিন।
write.
মশি লিখো তাড়াতাড়ি। তাড়াতাড়ি লিখলে তাড়াতাড়ি ক্লাস শেষ হবে, তাড়াতাড়ি লিখো না।
ওইটা আমি একটা পার্ট বললাম না, ওইটা তো আমার কেন যেন এখন আবার আউটপুট টার্মিনালস এ ঝামেলা মনে হইতেছে। ওই যে কয়েল
না,
রোটেট করে,
there is induced
খালি এই
EMF.
পার্টটাই জানি, এই জেনারেটর গুলার কয়েল রোটেট করে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড লাইন কাটে ইলেকট্রিসিটি প্রডিউস হয়,
হ্যাঁ
আর কিছু নাই।
সেটাই তো, আর কি চাও?
তো আউটপুট টার্মিনালস এ ওখানে এমন কি?
There is magnetic field between the poles and the coil cuts those magnetic field for which electromagnetic force is produced. Yes.
ওই
আছে।
ও আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝছি
এটাই
স্যার।
তো, আর কিছু আছে?
ওকে, হ্যাঁ ওইটাই বলছি আমি। সো আই এম কারেক্ট উইদাউট ইভেন নোইং আই এম কারেক্ট।
Stupid.
কিসে রে?
আল্লাহ, কত বাকি?
Yeah.
তাড়াতাড়ি শেষ করো না।
তুই লিভ দিয়ে দিলেও না কেউ জানবে
আদনান
না।
লিখ না, আদনান লিখ।
মশি, আচ্ছা আমি লিখতেছি। ওয়েট,
মশি মইরা গেছে।
Where is Moshi? Moshi? He is not even
মরে গিয়েছে
talking.
স্যার।
Yeah, Adnan, are you writing?
লেখা শেষ স্যার।
Okay, very good. So you, after your writing, you add another thing with this, that is carbon brushes, rub against slip rings. Okay, look, why we are adding this point, as, yeah, I am removing my one. So why we are writing this, because they already told us about this point, electromotive force generated or produced, already it is mentioned. So to get 3 marks, we should add another point, that is carbon brushes rubs against the slip rings.
আচ্ছা এইটা স্যার, এইটার সাথে টু আউটপুট টার্মিনালস এর সম্পর্ক কি? রাব করলেও কি না করলেও কি?
If you are not using the carbon brushes,
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ না হলে তো হ্যাঁ ইয়ে হয়ে যাবে। হ্যাঁ বুঝছি স্যার।
কয়েল পুরো ট্যাঙ্গেল যাবে।
হ্যাঁ পুড়ে যাবে।
Yeah. So why we are adding this, you understood it. In other places where the electromotive force produced is not mentioned in the question, there if you are writing this producing EMF, for only this writing you are getting 3 marks.
ফিজিক্স অনেক কমপ্লিকেটেড, বাট একদিক দিয়ে ভালো। মানে দেখ, The coil rotates and cuts the magnetic field lines producing EMF. এটাতে তুই 3 মার্ক পেয়ে যাইতেছিস।
Yes. So here you are getting 3 marks.
যে কিনা ক্লাস 6 7 এ দেখা যায় তো 1 2 প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখতাম তারপর আমাদের 2 মার্ক দিত।
Now the last one.
তখন তো পয়েন্ট বেসড ছিল না, এখন তো সব পয়েন্ট বেসড কিওয়ার্ডস।
বাট স্টিল না মাথায় ঢোকে না।
Yeah, Jiba.
মানে ঢুকলে বাইরে হয়ে যায় একটু পরে।
Jiba.
জি স্যার।
Continue see.
The output terminals of AC generator are connected to a cathode ray oscilloscope. Figure 5.2 shows the trace on the screen of the CRO. Describe how the trace and a setting on the CRO are used to find the time of one revolution of the coil of the AC generator. You may draw on figure 5.2 if you wish.
Okay, so this one we will discuss more detail in next topic. However, I am giving you some ideas. Like here.
Sir, তাহলে খালি অ্যানসারটা বলে দেন।
Yeah, I am explaining, then I will tell you the answer. Look here, the x-axis is giving us time, right? And y-axis giving us voltage. So there is setting in the time base, that is in this oscilloscope we have 2 knobs where you can set the knob, like the regulator of the fan. The same way we have the regulator in the time base and in the voltage supply. So we can fix the time base, like if the time base is given 5 millisecond per centimeter, that means you see each of the small square is showing you 1 centimeter. That means if you compare this one, it is the time period, right? Complete cycle showing you 1 time period. So how many centimeters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 5 centimeters. So our time period here, how much? The time base is given, you take the notes. Time base is given, it will be given to you. Time base is given, for example, it is 5 millisecond per centimeter. So what will be the time period from here, from the diagram? Can you say time period?
2.
How?
দুইটা আছে তো। 5 5.
No, we are saying that each of the centimeter is giving us 5 milliseconds. So time period is till here only 1 complete cycle, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it? So 1 complete cycle, how many centimeters you are getting?
5 milliseconds.
So it is 5 centimeter, right?
Yes.
If it is 5 centimeter, then 5 millisecond per centimeter. This will be
5 into 5.
Yeah, I am writing with unit also so that it is more clear to you. Multiplied by 5 centimeter, right? That centimeter will be cut. Please take the notes. Everyone, please take these notes. It will help you also in our next topic. 5 millisecond per centimeter into 5 centimeter, it will be 25 milliseconds. So our time period is here 25 milliseconds. Okay. So how can we do it? They are saying describe how the trace and a setting on the CRO are used to find the time for one revolution of the coil of the AC generator. One revolution means 1 complete cycle.
1 wavelength.
Yeah, 1 wavelength. So first step, you take the length of the complete cycle. Complete cycle. Length means how many divisions? How many divisions? We got here 5 divisions, right? So 5 centimeter. How many divisions? And after that, what we'll do? Multiply.
Find the time.
Multiply.
The wavelength distance.
Yeah, multiply
the time base.
The division with time base. Is it clear now how to write?
Yes, sir.
So remember this. In our next topic also we will use this idea. And also please write this example I gave you. If you draw it at least with this small square, 5 square, 1 complete cycle, only one wave you complete, then at least you can remember, yes, it was calculated this way. Are you done with writing?
Yes, sir. Sir, class timing says, right?
Should we stop here or we'll continue more 5 minutes?
Definitely stop here. Kanis Mr. classes ekটু পরে চিল্লাচিল্লি করবে দেরি করলে.
Okay, so we have only little bit. I am just taking 1 minute to show you.
Sir.
Yeah, just wait for a 1 minute. Look, we have only this part 6. I will not continue more today, but I am declaring the test date. Test date on this 2 topics, topic 22 and 23. We have test on only structured part on next Monday. Today is Monday. Next Monday we'll have the test. And for your test, there will be 30 marks. Structured part, time will be 50 minutes. That's why we cannot take it on Wednesday. Your test will be on Monday. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Topic 21 and 23, right?
22 and 23. Just this topic and the previous topic. We did the MCQ test, but structured is left. Is it clear? Tomorrow we will start the new topic. After finishing question 6, we will start the new topic, electronics. Thank you so much, everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.